Let's head up here. Oh, I saw it. Did you see that lightning? It's bombing my base! It's attacking my base! Возвращением, друзьям. Two voices of the void. Okay. I was about to say I don't remember what I was doing, but I do remember the Transformers now. A battery. So I noticed, speaking of, I think my batteries were stolen, or maybe they got blown somewhere after that gas canister blew up. Because I did have some, and I left them on that crate out here in the garage, but they're not there. But I don't know how it would have. They were all right here. I did not touch them when I put them down. So they're either stolen or they got blown away. But I'm going to say they didn't get blown away because I just don't see any of them. So whatever that event was, whatever was... Whatever it was, stole my dang batteries. I would say maybe it's Kerfer bumping into it, but I don't think this thing has moved. I did quite a bit of cleaning. We got some money. I'm going to buy the what was it? The rake. And then we'll figure out what to do with this. I would like to figure out how to get fishing going. I might have to do a transformer first. Here's what I'll do. I'll set this one for my compass. And then I'll order this rake. And we'll just head off and do the transformer. How's the girl doing? She's alright. Here comes our rake, but we'll get that on the way back. I still want to know what the ATM's going to be used for. Oh, this is where we found the car charger at. There we go. Let's take another peek around here. I'll take that gas can. I can sell it. I don't reckon I need to take that for anything. I can't really pick it up anyway, so... Ooh, there was another drive. I'll take the tape, just in case it's valuable. And the calculator, I guess. Why not? Just try to sell it for some money, you know? Okay, come on. I don't know why sometimes when you try to move something, it like gets stuck and you have to keep hitting the button, but it ain't actually moving, so... I'm probably going to have to leave that as is. Oh, there it went. There it went. There it went. Just trying to see if it was hiding anything. No. Well, there went my battery. Good thing it's daylight this time. I think we can get out of here. Yeah. Let's go. I was just thinking, you know, I kind of wouldn't mind exploring the map some a little bit sooner than expected. Oh. Well, we can mark farming off the list now. We got the rake. At least I'm hoping we can. Don't really have anything made to sell just yet. Let me put everything else down. Oh, I forgot to sell the tape. Dang it. Well, whatever. I'll just put it over here where the pile would be. Oh, Kerf. Come here, bud. I got you. I got you. Hold up. There you go. You done? Good job, boy.
No.
Give you a rest. Go ahead and plug them in right down here. Hey, look, another battery. How did it get over here? What happened to my batteries? So they weren't stolen. Maybe it was Kerfer? But if that was the case, I could see him hitting the one next to the door, but not this one. And plus, if they were right here, I don't know, maybe, but it's flush against the wall, so no, he hasn't hit it. That was something else. So my other batteries might be in here somewhere. Also, I had a thought. Let's go ahead and put this on the workshop and see if it does anything. Maybe we can break it down or something. I'll just set it in here. Nope. No idea what to do with that still. I'm kind of tempted to break it, but I'm afraid to. What am I doing? Drop that there. I've still got these little pots. I'm not sure what to do with those. You know what? Let's bring that out here too. We'll try to figure out what's going on. And I also remember there's some big pots over this way. Can I have one? No idea how these are going to work. No idea if they're even important. Let's try it out. Ooh, okay. Okay. So that's right click. What does left click do? Nothing. Does it do anything if I click on these? Nothing. I think I got 4 seed packs, so... Wow, actually I got this little brown mushroom too, so let's go ahead and make one more for him. I'll set that down there. Let's go back and grab these seeds. Got distracted. I wanted that out of the way. And you. Alright. So I believe that's all our seeds, and this is a spare notebook. Actually, let's hang on to that one. I need notes on occasion. Break this fella down. So I noticed there it gives us 2 seed packets. I thought it was just 1, so I'm going to need double. But I can grow stuff now. Do 2 of that, 2 of that, 1 of those. Wrong button. I guess right about here will be fine. There we are. And now let's go get the, oh, did I just pull a Tom and Jerry? Boop. Oh, 8 uses. Okay, so that did work. How much? How do I know when enough water is enough? Just 1, I guess. Looks like it. So let's come back over here and get some more water. Assuming that's enough. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Because they got dark, so... I guess I'll put this back over here for now. So we got that going. That's something. I don't know what all we can grow, but we can mark figuring out farming off the list. That was easy enough. And that should maybe help provide a steadier food source. Fishing. I have no idea where to start with that. Let me check these out real quick, and I'll see if the store doesn't have anything. Oh, look! We got a thing done. Let's hear it out. That off? Yeah. Oh, and this was that air quote black hole. Does that sound like music to anyone? I'm pretty sure that's a song. Okay, that's going to be a while. I think we got the gist of it. I should probably buy some food though. I don't know what. Hey, if I buy like a banana or some mango or orange or something, do you think I can plant that? I think I should test. How about I buy an orange? Can be eaten or chopped into pieces. Okay. And I think there was a knife. Yeah, let's buy that too. And then I'll buy him something maybe proper to eat. A chicken nugget. How about a taco? I'll go to 14, but I can't. There, we'll do that. Alright. Yummy taco. So let's see. Can I break this orange down into some seeds? Oh, I can! I can. Okay. With that, let me do this real quick. I'll go plant an orange plant and see if it'll grow into anything. I mean, obviously will. Let me plant it and then I'll go check. I probably shouldn't have sent him off just yet. Let's go ahead and get him called in. Like this guy. Let's go plant our orange plant. I'll plant a little bit out because I'm going to assume it grows into a tree like it would in real life. There we go. Did I actually hit that? Yeah, he's coming. I still don't know how much water to give these guys. Oh, there's no water in it now. Did that do it? Oh, there we go. I got a left click on the water with it in my hand. I guess I'll do 2 apiece. I don't know. I'll just do 1 on the mushrooms. I feel like the tree's probably going to need more. But now that I know that, I need to get all the fruits and just grow a whole ton of them. That should keep me going on food for a while. I want to keep them here. So I'm going to do some more crafting and stuff. I'll probably go to bed first, but, well, he'll be sent off. I might as well just go ahead and do that now. I'll go to bed. I'll do some more cleaning, picking up the loose trash. I'll probably head down the stairs in the basement, start picking up down there. And then, you know, get some stuff crafted and more money in. I really love the new skybox they got. But these stars are way prettier than the old ones. What now? Why am I up? Hello? What do you mean can't use? I just can't use it? Oh, man. It's pretty much 3 in the morning. You know what? Why are you still tormenting me? I'm pretty sure I heard something out here. What's that? Did you see? What is that? I can't save it. I'm scared. Should I go check it out? Will it kill me too? I got my kitchen knife. I'm ready. Where'd it go? Maybe I should get up on the radio tower and have a peek over. What's with this thunderstorm too? And man, is it dark. Is that a normal pole light or? Yeah, okay. It's so dark I can't tell what's what. Let's head up here. Oh, I saw it. Did you see that lightning? It's bombing my base! It's attacking my base! Stop that! You stop that right now! You stop that right now! You stop that! Stop it! All my junk's on fire! Actually, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Come back! Take the rest of my junk with you! Oh no! All the crates! Maybe I can pick some stuff up. Maybe I can save some of it. Maybe I can... There's a... Ow! Ow! Okay. There's a basement? It's back! It's back! Stop it! Stop it! What are you doing? Why? Why? Trash is fine. But why? I need these. What is that sound? Oh. What the heck? Hey, cooked potato. Ow. But yummy. What if I can get down in there? Ow, 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 ow. Okay, okay. I guess the cold and stuff's just gonna have to get destroyed and whatever else. I guess my bad for taking so long to get out here to break it. Now I kind of feel like I need to focus on all that and get all those broke before something else decides to break them. And burn them! Like a bomb! Oh, here it comes again. Don't hit my responsibility box! Don't hit my responsibility box! I need this. It holds me accountable. I kind of want to send Kerfer out there, but I don't want him to get destroyed. And then I'll set this out here too, because I gotta sell. Something's still on fire. Ow. Ow! Well, at least I got some coal from it. But what else is on fire? Oh, another crate popped in here. Some more burnt potatoes. Ow! Okay. So, I feel powerless. Apparently there are going to be things that really want to hurt me. And, oh, no, that one's burnt. That one's burnt. That one's on fire. That one's on fire. I'm on fire. What's a shower for? It ain't putting me out. Ah! Ow, get up. We don't have time to lay around. You're on fire. Get down to the bath. The bath. Hurry! Hurry! I can't run. I can't run. Oh no. Please make it. 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 Okay. All of them, please. I think I just want to let him keep it all. Make a little extra money. Oh yeah, one thing I was wanting to look for too was seeing if there isn't something that can help me carry more things. I think that would be super awesome. At least it didn't get inside my base, you know? That could have been a lot worse. So is that like an ant? Why is he back? Was this your fault? I don't... Every time he's around, something bad happens. I don't know if I should leave him out here? Or what? Should I put him in the river? I kind of want to keep him, but apparently he is a magician and just vanishes. I guess let's try again, see what happens. Here. You're not a good duck, but there's the water for you. That going again. We only need one more to sell all these drives, and I got a feeling this is going to be a lot of money. But we'll see. I'm thinking let's expand the farm a bit and get that going. So we got a bunch of different varieties of veggies and fruit, so hopefully he won't get used to the same thing over and over again too quickly. Pineapple, sure. Tomato, bring it on. Watermelon, required. Albaga, and a steak. Tempting to buy that steak for him, but no. Let's just stick with all the veggies. That's veggies and fruits. I guess that's quite a bit to work with. So, I wonder, do we actually make something out of them? Like, can we actually make meals? There was a cookbook upstairs. Maybe I should check that out. Maybe I should also see about an upgrade of some sort. What should I upgrade? Not the radar. Radar's kind of pointless. I'm thinking maybe the processing. Or wait, how about the thing that gives us the better image on one thing? Is it the detector? There we go. How did... Okay, well, you know what? It's fine. Now we'll be able to at least see what we're looking at. And since that's the case, I'm sitting down, I forgot. I'll go ahead and get one of these started for us. Oh, easy. Right here. It's coordinate radar communication error? What's happening? What do I do about that? Everything's operational, ain't it? SD.cal. Aw. What do I do? I have a job for you. First, a little love, and then your job. See, it's definitely not him. He barely love tapped that thing, and it didn't move an inch. So how the heck did everything else get all over the place? Hey, bud. Let's see about turning these into seeds. Maybe I need to cut open the banana. There's something in the microwave? Oh, I had a potato! There we go. I don't know if this will work. Okay, I guess I can't do that. Can I? Okay. For the things I can't do, I'll just put down in here for now. Or is it like the whole thing can be acted like a seed? Like surely you can grow a banana, right? Ooh, maybe? I don't know. I don't see anything. I hope I didn't just lose that banana. What if I just buried the banana there? I'm still thinking about that. Should I try like to rake it up again? See if it won't come back up? Like right here? Okay, I did. I buried it. Okay. Well, I don't know what to do about that. I'll have to look online, I guess, and see if there ain't a way to grow a banana. Okay, Kerf, you're kind of annoying me with that sound. How about a lemon? Okay, can do lemon. How about a mango? How about I cut the mango open gently? Do I need all four on here, maybe? No. So I guess I can't do that. Can't do the banana. How about the pineapple? What if I cut the pineapple? Like, that should be the seed, right? No? Okay. Tomato, surely. Okay. Please tell me I can grow the watermelon. I want to cut it open, aren't I? Yes! Just one of those. Where'd my other watermelon go? It just flew off somewhere. Watermelon. Under here? No. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm missing a slice. Oh, I just turned it into a turned it into a seed. My watermelon and my forget the word. And then there's that. I guess I'll just try it. I might just be burying these and never to see the light of day of them again, but I don't know. I don't know how plants work. I guess I'll put him right here. There we go. Ew. Oh, taking a nap outside. Right next to the farm. Who's coughing? What, is that me? Am I coughing? Why am I coughing? Guess as it's happening. Pretty. Well, I hope you had a good nap. Did I get the lemon planted yet? No. Did I make a spot for it yet? Not by the way it looks. I thought I did. No, I fell before I could. Bloop. And done. done. Okay, well, guys, I think that's where we're going to have to leave it for this one. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next one.